guys, it's Brianna, and today we are back with another video. And today I'm going to be showing you guys my fidgets. But before we get started, I wish you guys like, subscribe, turn on notifications so you guys know when I post a new video. So you guys, and also because you guys don't miss out for all the awesome, amazing videos that I'm going to be posting. But anyway, I'm going to be showing you guys all my all of you guys my fidgets as it says in the title. And because fidgets are getting really popular now, I'm pulling them all out right now. But fidgets are getting pretty popular now. So I was like, okay, why not try doing a fidget video for my channel? So I'm just going to organize my fidgets real quick, and then I'll be showing you guys my fidgets. And I am also going to be showing you guys my TikToks on my phone. So yeah, but first we're going to be doing the fidgets. So. And doing some dances, because why not? So we have all of these fidgets that I'm going to be showing you guys. But yeah. So the first fidget that I'm going to be showing you is these two putties. They're like slimes and ooh, look how shaped that one's good. Good. And there is. It feels pretty good. I was just playing with it, so that's why I was playing with it a lot today, so that's why it looks like that, like a dark color. So, yeah. And then we have the pink one. The pink one looks really good, but the pink one always goes on the cap, so it's pretty annoying. But yeah, I'll put that on the cap because put this one. Yeah. I'm probably just gonna show you guys my TikToks, not really do them because yeah. These two. Then we have this dimple digit. I'm on the bad side right now. What you just heard. This is the good side. 3, 2, 1. Oh wow, that's so good. That sounds good. Yeah, this is a dimple digit, and it has like Spanish on it and these little dots on it. So yeah. Okay. Then we have these acupressuring rings. I had a gold one, but I lost it in the chair, and I think it's over there, but I lost it. So yeah, it is. Okay, then we have the fidget spinner. This is a real fidget spinner, and I don't know why. I just got a fidget spinner just and I'm getting some more fidgets tomorrow, so I will do a part 2 if I feel like it tomorrow. I'm getting some more tomorrow. Yeah, or the day after tomorrow because my fidgets they're coming at 10 p.m. tomorrow. So but yeah, so that's this fidget spinner, and then we have a mini fidget spinner. Oh my god. Okay, but oh my god. Yeah. Then we have this thingy. You have to push. I guess push this and push this out. I don't really know. The rest doesn't want to give. So yeah. Yeah, that is that. Then we have this ball. It's a bouncy ball, I guess. Bounce it. Bounce it. Bounce it. Bounce it. Bounce it. Ooh, bounce it. Okay, but I think I already showed you guys, but I have this, I'm just going to show you guys again if I did. I don't remember. But then we have this mini poppet, and then we have this octopus poppet. I'm getting more, as I said, tomorrow. But this is the bag. Now we're on the good side. I'm not really a big fan of poppets anymore. I used to be. This is the one that I first got. It's broken. But yeah. It's really fun. Then we have this snake. It's like, I don't know. It's a snake. That's how it is. Snake. But yeah, this is a snake. I am getting a bigger one, as I said. If I had this stuff, I don't want to film it like like 12 p.m. 10 in my, so I had to film it today. But yeah, that's the snake. And then we have this thingy. I have to try to put it in the, I got this at Party City, so yeah, just put it in there and stuff like that. Yeah. Then we have this thingy. Let's put it inside I got one in. We can get it. Yeah. And we have this triple dimple. I do. But yeah, the triple dimple is really fun to use. So yeah. Okay. Then we have the two dimples. It's really fun to play with. So yeah, definitely get a dimple. Just a dimple, not a simple dimple. So. But yeah, that was the whole thing of my fidgets. But now I'm going to have to do. Oh, why is this not going in? Oh, it's because it wasn't that. They have to be okay, get you. But yeah, those are all my fidgets. But I'm gonna show you guys all my TikToks. So if you don't play, or if you don't like go on TikTok, this is basically like a TikTok thing, and that's what I've been doing. So I kind of like to do that with most of my videos. I'm trying to find something.
I don't like it. There's no filter. It's okay. You don't need a filter. Yes.
Okay, let's go to it. So this is actually I really love this dance. I can't stop doing it. But yeah, I'm not gonna go with my hand because And this is one of me. I did like an editing one. I don't know what it was, but it wasn't my first edit. Cause so if you like go down, you'll see all the edits. But I'm gonna show you guys the edit that I did. It looks really bad. I don't know what I was doing. It's super bad. Okay, so I'm gonna show you this edit. Not the best edit, cause like I did an app, one apps that I have now. I'm just gonna show you it. Where is it? Oh, that's not it. I can't find the edit that I did, but I'm just gonna look one more time and see if I see it. It was somewhere around here. Oh yeah, here it is. Okay. So these are the two edits, right? So this is. It's like what time like do you guys go to bed on weekends? I go to like usually 12 or 1, and then yeah. Yeah, that's that. And then we have this one. And then this next video type of outfits to wear in summer. So yeah, it's really cool. Not the best, but it was. And I did what breakfast to eat, but I didn't really want to. I don't know. I was like, yeah. And then we have this one. Yeah. That watch is right there, so she will always be in that home. There she is. She made it, she made it. Having all the family members here today is a very meaningful thing because it's not just about me, it's about family also. And we've always been a close family and we always will be. It is one of those moments that you always will reflect back on and just kind of cherish it. It's a good day. Today is a good day. But yeah, sorry about that. Oh my gosh.
Hey guys, so I'd like to audition for FIDGETS House account. And sorry, this is the best camera setup I could.
But yeah, I'm just looking at her. 1 second. Okay, so this is my video that I was doing, like edits. It wasn't like the best, but yeah. Oh, my head. But yeah, I'm going to be ending this video here. I hope you guys like, subscribe, turn notifications so you guys know when I post a new video. And I'm trying, but I hope you guys like the fidgets and the videos, the few edits that I showed you. So Yeah. But yeah, I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, special open. See you guys in the next video. Goodbye.